Good morning, good morning. Welcome back, y'all, to another video with Knit and Stitches. So today we are going to go over some different things and changes that we have made on the channel. And I just decided to go ahead and start picking the channel back up. As you can tell, I did do a few little changes. The channel used to be Knits and Stitches, and now I have actually redid it and called it Known as Diaries. So those of you that are new, welcome to Known as Diaries. And what we do here on this channel, let me begin. First off, my name is Nona, and I do a lot of crafting, do-it-yourself ideas, cooking, things like that. So I decided to call the channel Known as Diaries for the fact because I want to show a bunch of different things that I do on a daily basis, such as diamond art, crocheting, loom knitting. I make a lot of different things. Diamond art I actually just picked up on. It's kind of a new art that I picked up around the holidays last year, and it is something that I enjoy doing. I like to kind of work on it. Diamond art to me is like, you take your time to place those diamonds, things like that, and we'll go over this, and before you know it, you have a really beautiful creation that you did myself. And I kind of like to do things like that. So I was told and kind of given the idea with my family and from my family members that I do a lot of creative things. Why don't you go on YouTube and maybe share some of these ideas with others? So I thought, yeah, that sounds kind of fun. So first off, I want to start out with showing you different meals that we prepare, simple, inexpensive meals, crock pot meals in Instapots, things like that. Just kind of introduce myself on this video and kind of give you an idea of what my plan is ahead. Another thing I'd like to do is come this spring, I want to go ahead and I want to do a lot of gardening. I'm going to be redoing my front yard and my backyard, and I want to be able to videotape that and share it with all of you as well. Again, I want to welcome you all to the new channel, Known as Diaries. I hope you all enjoy the videos, and I hope that you subscribe, stick around, like, and also share. So let's get started with today's video. So again, good morning and happy holidays. Today is the day before Thanksgiving, Thanksgiving Eve. And yes, we have a lot prepared and ready for tomorrow. We're actually going to be doing a small meal just for the hubby and I. We decided that since the weather kind of hit us, we were going to travel, but we decided it's probably safer just to stay off the roads this time and just enjoy a little meal here. Today's video, I kind of want to go over last few projects that I have done. Those of you that have been following me, I had cut the channel down there for a couple months, decided that there was some stuff around my house I needed to do, and I went and did a lot of decorating, a little bit of remodeling, things like that. So I kind of want to walk you guys around and kind of show you some of the things that I have done. And I'm also going to kind of show you some of the diamond paintings that I've gotten done in the last couple of months. Those of you that have been following know that I started diamond painting, as I stated, around December 15th of last year. My daughter actually got me involved in it. I went down, they live in Washington, and I went down there for about a month last year and spent some time with the family and my grandkids and stuff. And my daughter was crafting and I was crocheting, and I said, "What are you doing?" "What is that?" She said, "That is diamond art." I'm like, "That's interesting." And I kind of sat there a little bit, kind of watched her do it, and I was like, wow, that's almost like, to me, like cross stitch. I used to cross stitch many years ago, except using the thread, you're using like gems, diamonds, and they come in rounds and squares. And some of you out there probably even do it. For those of you that don't, it is an amazing craft to do. It's good for anxiety and things like that. Get your minds off of things, which I myself suffer a little bit from anxiety and that. And it really helps me because it's calming, and it's interesting to really kind of start on a project, work your way through it, and then realize, wow, look what I came out with. How beautiful, how pretty. So I kind of want to show you guys a little bit of what I've done. So this one here was the Last Supper. Sorry about the little glare there in the camera. This was like, I think, my second one I did. Unfortunately, I don't have the first one that I did. I had actually did it and gave it to my daughter. But this one here, I did last year around Christmas and also got it framed. This is our living room, and I actually went and kind of redecorated it, kind of decided to go with like a sunflower look here, but also like a safari look. This picture here was passed down to me on a family member that had passed away in 2013 to cancer. She was big on safari things, tigers, lions, and that. So I went out. This is actually like my third one that I did here. The eagle. My husband likes American flag, the eagle, stuff like that. So I decided to get this one and try it. It came out beautiful. I just finished the tiger. This one took me about a month to get done, and it came out more, I was more amazed by how it came out than when I started it. When I first started, I thought, wow, this has a lot of black in it. It's not going to come out that good, but it actually did. It really kind of brought out that tiger. The next one I did here was the giraffe. This is also diamond art. That is a partial, so it's just the diamonds are just on the giraffe, but it was really pretty. When I got it done, I was like, wow, that really makes the giraffes kind of stand out a little bit there as well. Just kind of a little decorating here. I did get a nice new table. Absolutely beautiful. Got the sunflower decorations going on there. Kind of got that all. This was actually the hubby's idea, the way this was set up. He's really good at decorating as well. Kind of got some Christmas decorations going on up there a little bit. This is another one I did. I did this one a couple months ago, the rose from Art Dot. My favorite ones usually are like the Diamond Art Club. I know that a lot of you out there think, and I have even gotten some comments, Diamond Art Club's pretty pricey, yada yada. I kind of go different things. Art Dot, Temu, things like that. Another one that I did here is the horse. This one my daughter actually got me last year for Christmas, and it's actually going to be given to her hopefully this Christmas. I'm not sure. I just got to get it framed up and get it kind of looking nice. But that's from Diamond Art Club there, and that kind of gives you an idea how pretty the difference is. That's diamond art, and then this is Art Dot. So between these two, my honest opinion, I don't think there was much of a difference. It just both got soft backings, things like that. So that just kind of gives you a little bit of an idea of what I've done with the diamond art craft that I've been doing now almost a year, and I love it. I have such a stock up of it. I have a lot of yarn. I do a lot of crocheting, crocheted blankets, loom knitting, which I'll get to all of that in another video, kind of show you some different things I've done with loom knitting and crocheting. Those of you out there that have actually sent me emails asking, you know, do you know how to do this stitch or that stitch? I actually taught myself a lot of different stitches. I taught myself how to crochet. My grandmother, many years ago, sat down with me for hours trying to teach me, and I just couldn't get it. I couldn't get the grip of it. So I watched videos. I went to Annie's Crafts online. I actually ordered a couple of different kits. They were like monthly kits that came to me, and watched her videos, and I picked it up pretty fast. So those of you that had asked, yes, I will be doing tutorial videos kind of showing you singles, crochet, double, triple or treble, different things like that, the shell stitch. Yes, I'd be glad to go each video and kind of show you a different thing. I am really looking forward to all of this. This is going to be so exciting, and I really hope that you all subscribe and you really enjoyed the channel. Back to diamond art though, I got the tiger and that done, and I'm still working on the different safari animals for my living area here. I love the sunflowers, and I want to kind of set up not only I have a wall, which I'll show you here in a second. So this wall here is me and a friend of mine had actually set it up, came up with the printout And kind of, when I did my Last Supper, I thought, you know what, that would be perfect right below all of that. So that's where that diamond art went. And then I came up with the idea, okay, I have so many different safari animal diamond art kits, and I thought, you know, I need to get them together, get them done, and start putting them up, because I went off of the big picture that I had showed earlier that was passed down from my aunt, who had passed away from cancer, as I stated. It was passed down to me, and I really got into the different animals that were in there, the lion, the elephants, the zebras, and I kind of turned my living room into more of like a floral / safari, I guess is what you call it. So I'm currently kind of working on the different kits that I have and getting them done. So I decided to go through my stash of diamond art, which I have a lot. My husband actually tells me every time I walk into the craft store, he'll kind of push me away and say, no, you've got plenty, get those ones done first. So I've been working and pulling out all of the safari animals. The tiger I got done, as I showed you, and then the giraffe. The eagle, that was just kind of one I did way back last year, but I kind of fitted that in a little bit. Here is the one that I'm actually working on right now. So this one here is a cheetah. And I believe it's Diamond Dots is the brand. I covered it with the paper, the two-sided paper. I ordered this on Amazon, and I'll put it in the description as well for those of you that are getting involved in it or just starting it, kind of show you what that's like. I got it about, I'd say, a quarter of the way done, and I've only been working on this about 5 days now. So hopefully I'll have this done within the next 4 or 5 days and can get it on either in a frame or the other way I do it, which I'm going to show those to you as well. Sometimes I frame the diamond paintings, and sometimes I put them on a kind of a real thick like board. It's like kind of like I guess a styrofoam, like a hard styrofoam board. So I'll show you how I do that as well in another video. But just kind of wanted to mainly do a basic video today for you, since I had a little bit of time this morning, kind of show you different diamond arts I've done. I'll go through and kind of work with you. I want to eventually go into doing lives, showing you some meals that we cook throughout the week, things like that. Just kind of a daily diary of not only crafting, but gardening, things like that. So it's going to be a little different, but we'll see how it goes. I hope you all enjoyed the video today. I look forward to the very next one. I hope to see you all there. If you like that video, definitely hit that like button. That really helps us out on our channel. And I will catch you all on the next one. The next video, I believe, will be a cooking video, and we're going to kind of go over it and show you how to make what I call a dump pot taco. Thank you all for watching. We'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.